Welcome back to Watch Talk. On today's video, we're going to be revisiting the F-91 I bought. It's a fake, and I'm going to be showing you how it performed over the last week because it's about a week since I made that video. We're going to be exploring what happened with it and the condition it's in only just from 1 week of wearing the watch. I gave it to my little brother and he wore it around, beat it a little bit, and we'll see the thing. So if you want to see the real, not review, but unboxing of this watch, please go and click the link in the description. That will take you to the first video. So I do recommend watching the first video so you have some context when we go through this video. So let's flip the camera and take a look at what happened just from 1 week of this watch. Now flipping the camera, let's take a look at the condition over 1 week and more importantly, the accuracy over just 1 week on this quartz movement. I have my trusty iPad here that's always synced up to the time. So let's see, right now it's 12:55 and it is running fast by what, 1 full minute in 1 week? It looks like it. We'll keep an eye on it. And then taking it right here, you could also see the clasp also fell off and this just comes off. This used to hold the strap so it's more comfortable. It's not flailing all over the place. Let's see. So I think it's about 1 minute off from 1 week. So there's 52 weeks in a year. That's 52 minutes. So that's about an hour a year. That's horrible on quartz accuracy. This, I haven't changed once, my G-Shock, and it's been about, let's see, 4 months or 5 months since I last set it. And it's still really down. It's like down to the second. It's amazing for me. I know most people don't have that. So it's 12:54. Let's see if it's 1 minute exactly. Let's see. There. So it's a little less than 1 minute, but that's insane for this price. We have to realize that, okay, sure, it's a fake, but for a quartz movement this horrible, it must be something atrocious in there. And I have to tell you a story really quickly because I'm going to make this video very quick. I wanted to just inform you where it's at, but I picked this watch up. My brother, he took it off or something, and I looked at it and it was going 2 seconds every second, and I was looking at it, I'm like going crazy. It did that for about like 20 seconds straight. So it was going 2 seconds every second, and I just saw it took off for that. That was really spooky to me because it shows you really what it is. The visibility isn't very good on this watch, I also noticed. If you look at the real F-91, it's not this bad. So thank you all for watching. We saw how this performed during the video. It's just very just a bad watch in general. Not even the movement's good. Beware, be careful. I want you all to know, if you haven't seen it yet, please go and watch the video in the description. That's the first time I interact with this watch and I tell you my opinion on these type of fake watches. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button. It really does help the channel. I will catch you guys in the next one.